Hi everyone, today I want to talk about how you can restrict editing to your Word document. Step number 1, open your Word document. After opening your Word document, you head to Review on the menu bar and select Restrict Editing. Then a task pane with the editing options will show up on the right hand side of your document. You can also find the same option when you go to File and then click on the drop down menu under Protect Document and select Restrict Editing. Now after the first step, you go to the second option on the task pane that has come up on your right hand side of the document and check out the box under that option number 2. Now once you check out that box, you will see under it there is an option where there is a drop down menu where you can select the restricting options that you want to apply on your document. Now after choosing the restricting option you want to apply on your Word document, go to option number 3 and click on the button with the words "Yes, start enforcing protection." Once you click on that button, a dialog box will pop up asking you to enter and confirm your password. After that, enter the password of your choice and then confirm that password and click OK. Once you click OK, go ahead and save the changes you have made to your Word document, and then you can close your document and then also reopen it to see if the changes that you have made have taken effect. As you can see on my document, that the editing menu is disabled, so I won't be able to make any changes on the text that is on my document. Even when I try to highlight any of the text on the document and try to delete it using the buttons on my keyboard, there is nothing that happens. It doesn't allow that. So also, if you check on the bottom left hand side of your document, you can see that message which says this modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. So that is what is showing the person who is trying to edit your document that they cannot make any changes to your document. If you like the content I share, subscribe and click on the notification button to receive updates when I upload a new video. Thank you and see you in the next video.